been almost a week that I haven't been able to work on this truck with the coronavirus and going to work and the rain. Oh my Lord, what the fuck's going on with the world? Alright, water pump needs to go in, radiator needs to go in, and I got some other little things I got to do. So this thing right here on the water pump that needs to come off and go onto the, and then I have everything here. Got the water pump, box of crap. Alright, so I got my little outlet thing off the old water pump, and it's gonna go right there. Right, give it some tightening. Alright, got the water pump here, got some of my tools I'll need, and let's see what we can do. Alrighty, bad high already, lost the fucking gasket. I haven't had one of these, hopefully it makes my life easier. Oh, yes, I love it. Yeah, I remember last time I did the water pump, trying to get the ratchet on and ratchet those bolts in. Oh man, this tool made a world of difference, man. So much easier. I could hold it with one hand and I didn't have to try to move. I could just ratchet, you know. Oh, great, great, great. Alright, so let me get some more stuff. I gotta get a torque wrench, torque the bolts on the water pump. Then we can start putting hoses on, and I'll be right back to you. Alrighty, got the thermostat housing in and the thermostat, and I love my freaking Milwaukee tool. Just need to inch those ones on in, right? Little at a time. Look at that, perfect. They don't have to try to hold something. There we go. Alright, so I got the water pump hose in, thermostat in, water pump in, lower hose in. I got the two heater core hoses. They're not connected to the heater core just yet because I got to clamp one and then do the other one. So this is the radiator, but I have these brass things here. I gotta take those out. So I'll be taking the radiator back out, taking those out. Was kind of a struggle, but I got it in. Just got to tighten up the transmission cooling line and the oil cooling line. That's about it. Get those so that they'll line up properly, so that I can get them all screwed in properly too as well. Other than that, things are going pretty smoothly today. Pretty impressed. Got everything all cleaned up. Had my little dog Right come out. That's my dog Right. My dog Right. Finish up those two heater hoses, and then put the air cleaner in, radiator fluid. We'll get all that done tomorrow. Alright, here I am again. Back out here. Got the truck. Gotta get that fan belt in, and then we'll rock that shit. Alright, let's get that going. Okay, that was a bad high. Yeah, what the fuck? Alright, fan belt now.
See you later.
Alright, see ya.
Bye.
Alright, gotta take these gloves off. Can't do this with gloves on. Here. Hardest part is getting these little freaking bolts on. Especially when this thing don't turn. I got everything in. Just got to tighten up my shroud here, get the bolts on, fill her up with fluid, and give her a start up. Oh yeah, this works a lot better than the freaking ratchet. Get to the other side. All right, things are looking good. All right, so this is the moment of truth. I got all the fluids in, everything's all buttoned up. Let's start her up and see if she's gonna go. Can't guarantee that she'll start up because the battery was dead. She's been on a charger all day. Let's just try to turn her over and see what happens. Yeah, she starts up. Criminal! What the fuck? those the oil cooler. I knew I didn't get that line in right. I think I might have fucked everything up. So we might have to end this video. We'll see what happens. Well, I gotta find something to put on the ground because I leaked oil all over the place without having cardboard underneath there. If I would have been smart and put cardboard underneath there, I wouldn't be freaking having this problem. Alright, so this is kind of fucking a drag. Alright, so I'm out. And I think this will call the video. Not very successful at getting my radiator and stuff in. So, hopefully, you'll learn something from me. But don't give up. Don't give up. I'll get it fixed. And we'll get it going. Alright, peace out.